How to fix Roblox error 268. So the first we need to click on the Windows button and search for Roblox. In here, right click and choose Open File Location. And then once here, go to Roblox Player, choose right click. Now go to Show More Options and click on Properties. Now once here, choose Compatibility. And here, click on Run this program in compatibility mode for make this Windows 7. And then go down here and click on Run this program as an administrator, and then click on Apply and choose OK. And then go right click here once again and click on Show More Options and choose Troubleshoot Compatibility. Just wait a few seconds until detecting issues, and then we're going to click on Try Recommended Settings and then choose Test the program and see if it works or not. Just wait a few seconds until we see, and as you can see, the app is working so well. But what if you did so and Roblox so far doesn't work? So what we're going to do, we'll go and install the app, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So we close Roblox app. What we're going to do here, we'll go and open settings and then search for apps, install apps, and here we'll search for Roblox in the search bar here. And then we here click these three options and click on install, and we will uninstall the app. And then we're going to click on uninstall. And here, as you can see, Roblox has been uninstalled. So I'm going to show you how to download it once again. Then go and open the browser and go for Google and search for Roblox. Open this website. And here we're going to choose and pick up any game, any one of these. And then we're going to click on this button. Just wait until Roblox is downloading. Now we're going to click on download and install Roblox. And that's how we download Roblox once again. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.